Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate current month total in Microsoft Excel. So how to calculate current month total in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. In this video, I will tell you 3 ways to calculate the amount of sales in the current month. In the first method. Here, the method that is often done, one by one. Old sales data in Excel can be a time-consuming and inefficient task. Tap on the first cell. Type equals. And tap the first sales amount. Tap Enter. Here the results are out. And the next row. Type equals. And tap the second result. And the first amount is added. Well, here the results have been added. For the next row, here tap twice on the second cell, and the bottom will automatically follow, but this method is prone to error. In the second method. Here using the sum function. The sum function in Excel makes it easy for users to calculate the total value of data quickly and accurately, either for one column, row, or combination of data. This feature is efficient and reduces the risk of manual calculation errors. How to? Tap empty cell. Type equals, type formula, sum. Type open brackets. Enter the first sales cell. Type a colon. Will automatically be added like this. Next, lock the first cell here by block and press F4. According to the function on each laptop. After that, close the brackets, don't forget, and tap Enter. Well, here the results have come out. Now for the row down. Tap 2 times on this cell. Will automatically follow this formula. In the third method. This method is not widely known by many people. This method is the easiest and without using a formula. How to? Block all sales results. Now scroll down, and there will be a small logo like this. Tap the logo. Go to Total. In Total, tap the down arrow. Select the yellow running like this. Now after the core, here the results of the addition have come out. You can edit the numbers, and here remove the error. So that's it. Tutorial how to calculate current month total in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.